Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a luxury haul for you from Farfetch. This video is not sponsored by Farfetch, but they have very generously offered a 15% off code to all new customers. So just go ahead and use my code AHeatedMess15. It's good for 30 days from today. It's a great deal because they usually offer 10%. So they have bumped it up to 15. I will include all the information below in the description, all the things I will be showing you. They are not affiliate codes, by the way. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not earning anything from this, but I just wanted to share the savings with you. So they have a ton of stuff. I might actually pick up a few more things, but in today's video, I wanted to show you a few of the things I picked up from Farfetch recently. Now, I have been shopping with Farfetch for a while now, and one of my favorite things about them is discovering a lot of different designers and brands that I might not have otherwise known about. I love to browse their website and see what's new and trending based on your style. And one of my favorite things about Farfetch is they actually work with stores all over the world to source merchandise. So if there's something that you're trying to find that is maybe hard to find or has been sold out from your local department store or just isn't in your size or color, if you take a look at Farfetch, they more often than not might have it in stock. So when you go to checkout, it actually shows you where exactly your items are coming from. So for example, these Valentino sandals are coming from Belgium. This dress is coming from France. This Zimmermann dress is coming from the Netherlands. And then it totals everything up and it tells you whether there's any import taxes or duties. That's all included. I've had several orders from Farfetch from all over the world, and I've never had to deal with separately paid import taxes or duties. It all is just very easy to check out. Everything is tracked and everything has arrived hassle-free. So I cannot wait for the summer to hurry up and get here. It was just daylight savings. The days are getting longer and the weather is getting warmer. And the first thing I picked up from Farfetch is this Zimmermann playsuit that I'm wearing. This is the Tropicana silk playsuit. They call it a playsuit, but it's a romper. It's a shorts romper, but it's a long sleeve, which I really like because if something's kind of short on the bottom, it's nice to cover up on top, I think. But it's very light, very breathable fabric. It's silk. It's so different from anything I own. I have a lot of rompers, a lot of summer short rompers. I tend to stick to solids. I have some florals, but I've always admired Zimmermann prints. I just kind of never pulled the trigger on any of them, but I just thought this was so pretty. And I'll try to include mod shots and, try on close-ups. But it's just, I love this. I think this would look really pretty with my newer bags that I picked up recently. I have a new Birkin in an off-white color and my Chanel 19 in the pinky beige gold. So because those are solid colors, but they're lighter, I wanted to do a little bit of a lighter little outfit for the summer. So just go by the measurements. The sizes are a little crazy. I went with a size 1 and I am very short. I'm 5 foot tall. So very nice, very pretty for the summer. Now, next up, you may have already seen because I wore this in my Hermes Birkin unboxing video, but it is this 2-piece set by Reformation. And holding it in my hands is not doing it any justice. And even in the pictures on the website, it really didn't do it justice because it is so nice and so comfortable to try on. So I just wanted a very casual, just a neutral colored, solid color loungewear set that can kind of transition, from the house, and also that's still good enough to go outside. It's an organic cotton, so it's very thick and it's just very well constructed. I got this in the size medium and it is so warm. The top is just so luxurious, you guys. It almost looks like a wool cable knit cardigan set, but it's cotton, so it's breathable. It's still can be very lightweight in the summer. But I don't know about you guys, I get very cold. So I think this would look really cute on even like as an airport outfit, when you're traveling and you just wear solid colors. So I just really like it. I think it's so cozy and comfortable. Now I got this in the size medium because in the pictures, I saw that the shorts, these are the shorts, they look really big. I have a little bit of a booty, even though I could have gotten the small size, especially with the cardigan top. I went with the medium because I wanted a more relaxed, loose fit. So I think the medium was a good size for me. You probably could size down if you wanted it a little more fitted, but I just love this. It's so comfortable and I love the neutral color. And then going a little more casual, I got this hoodie and it is by Versace Jeans Couture. Versace Jeans Couture is more of the streetwear brand within the Versace umbrella. Their clothes are a lot more affordable or a lot more affordably priced than Versace Couture. And so they're a lot more casual, maybe a little more edgy, And I just was like, I need a white hoodie. I need to lighten up my wardrobe, stop wearing black all the time. And I have tons of hoodies and a lot of them are black or dark colors. So I figured a lighter color would be really nice. So this is it in white and there's the little logo there. They have other hoodies that have their signature logo, like that Baroque design on the bottom or on the hoodie part. But I got this because it's pretty much mostly plain on the bottom, but then the back has their gold emblem right there. So it just is a very casual hoodie, something that I would wear probably all the time in a lighter color. The zipper pull is a little O-ring. I can't find the size on here, so I'll put in the description. I got more like a medium size. I like hoodies to be very relaxed and loose fitting and not so tight and fitted on me. So I probably got whatever is the equivalent of a medium or maybe a small. But that is my new white Versace jeans couture hoodie. And then the last thing I got from Farfetch is a pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. And this is actually my first pair of Jimmy Choos. I have been a diehard Louboutin fan for years. And then I kind of took a hiatus from high heels for a while because since I have been working from home, I really don't need just work pumps. But I did want a nice pair of dressy heels. So here's the box. It has my size here. And again, I went with the 36.5, even though I'm typically a 36. This did come from Italy, so it's in euro. Now, when it arrives, it has a receipt from the boutique where this was purchased from. And then the boutique itself includes a little thank you card. This was from a store called Valenti in Italy. It has their contact info. And then a little Jimmy Choo care booklet. Here is the dust bag. And then it is packaged very nicely. And this is in the 100 mm heel height. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty. I love that jewel. Normally with a romper, like I would wear a casual, maybe sandal. But you know, sometimes I go out. My husband and I are trying to go out on date nights once in a while, and it's nice to dress up a little bit. I sized up in this, and I'm glad I did because I just didn't want it to be too tight in the front. I normally wear a size 36, and I got this in a 36.5, so I think it fits pretty well. I'll do some try-ons for you guys, but it just is so flattering. I love this little jewel design right there, very pretty. So that is the Jimmy Choo Bing Mules, and I love the color, even though it's not a true nude, but it's nice and neutral enough that I can pair this with so many outfits. Okay, and this is what they look like on. They are like the perfect size. Again, I usually wear 36 and I'm glad I went with the 36.5 because it gives me a little room at the front. And then I think the 36, my heel would have been sticking out in the back. So definitely size up at least half a size in these. And I really like these. They're actually quite comfortable. Thank you, Farfetch, for partnering with me on that portion of the video. Again, check out the information in the description below. Use my code AHEATedMess15 for 15% off for all new customers. The code is only good for 30 days from today, so make sure you check it out ASAP. And then lastly, from Dior, I got a piece of ready-to-wear. And this was part of their like ski capsule collection from the winter. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I saw it online and I was like, that is actually really cute. And I just kind of forgot about it. And then I think I checked and, you know, they were all sold out by the time I decided to look into it. I don't know if they had a new shipment or something, but my SA had it in store. So I went ahead and ordered it. And it is this pair of Dior leggings. You guys, what? Okay, I know some of you don't like Logomania, and that's fine. You don't have to wear Logomania, but this would just be so cute paired with just a solid, probably white top. The only other pair of Dior ready-to-wear I have is my velvet oblique, same print, but in velvet, a dress, a hooded dress from last year, and it's so cute. I like it. So yeah, I picked up these leggings. They maybe are a little pricey. These leggings were $1,050. I got this in the small, and I'm glad I got the small. I was even considering getting a medium because again, I have a bit of a booty. I've been working out a lot. And so, but my SA told me, okay, it is very stretchy, like it's super stretchy. Also, I'm really short, and so the size is just perfect for me. But you guys, what is great about these leggings is they come with this backpack pouch. How cute is that? It's like a little sport backpack pouch. It's the same material as the leggings. It's like a stretchy, almost like a scuba material, but very thin. And I just think it is so cute to be able to keep this in here. So these leggings also had a matching top, and I believe the top was like 8 something or 800. I figured I would get more use out of the leggings, you know, year round than the long sleeve top. So just this pair of Dior ski leggings with the matching backpack pouch. So just a quick luxury haul for you guys. I am so excited for the summer. I cannot wait to start packing. I am very excited to bring along this new Zimmermann romper. Make sure you check out all the information for Farfetch below for 15% off your first order with the code aheatedmess15. Thank you so much, Farfetch, for partnering with me on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.